Okay, you guys. Okay, I don't know if this is stupid or like a waste of a video, but I wanted to do one unboxing and then I'll try it for you later. But I got sent a package that I've been waiting on for a really long time and I'm so excited. I got home from school today and my mom had placed it like in my room and I'm so excited. Okay. So a brand sent me this and they have been so amazing, keeping in such close contact with me. Whoever is their social media runner is so sweet. They literally comment on all my TikToks. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful for this. Oh my gosh, okay. It's like so bougie looking. It's like not my thing at all. Stop. Wait, I need to get another angle on this. Oh my gosh. I'm dying. I feel so spoiled because I never ever buy expensive makeup or tools or things. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. They gave me eyeshadow brushes too. And even like a little smudger. And look at the shape. I can't believe this. I'm so excited to try them. Look at their cute little red. It's called DUcare Beauty, by the way. Did I even say that? It's their 12-piece brush set. What's it called? The set itself is called The Queen, if you're curious. They also did give me a code, but I'm gonna give that info in my next video, or maybe I'll put it in the comments. I don't know. I need to look through my email again, but I'm so excited. Guys, this is so exciting. I literally feel like my 6th grade, like, beauty YouTuber dreams are coming true. Like, when the fact that Coco and Eve sent me a package, and then they sent me a package, and then I've also done an eye contact lens, like, review thing. I cannot believe it. Like, it never gets old. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to try this. Thank you so much. I just realized they gave me a beauty blender too, which actually feels really soft. I'm being so annoying in this video. I just rewatched it back and I'm like irritated with myself, but I don't want to delete it because this is raw footage and I want to show my gratitude because it's like so genuine. Like, I'm not faking this.